I'm thinking I would start with some basics as some students are also here. So we will start with some basics of image segmentation, what are different types of segmentation, and next we will see what are all the different methods that we have to do the segmentation, and particularly we will also do some hands-on with Python in both basic methods, traditional methods, as well as some deep learning architectures. And then we would also discuss about mainly about deep learning evaluation in segmentation particularly, and also some future prospects like now how the quantum AI could help the segmentation, particularly medical image field or medical image segmentation. So this is the flow that I am planning to have in today's session. So first we will have, I will be discussing about the basics and all the methods, and then at the end we will have some practical sessions. I hope they can do Python coding and all the things. So what is image segmentation first? So what is image basically? So what do we get from images and all this? Why do we need to do the segmentation basically? Why do you think we need to do image segmentation? So basically to get some information out of it. Say for example, I get some photo and show you. You can recognize, so there is a person, there is a beach, there is a kite, and all we can do the analysis. But how does a computer does that? How does a computer know, when we give an image to it, it just knows this is all intensity, some pixels and all that stuff. But it really doesn't know there is a person, there is a kite, there is a beach, there is sand, and all that stuff it doesn't know. We should make it learn, the system to learn all that stuff. So basically, and also to get the information out of the image, we do this segmentation. So it would be easy when you